The Nature of Reality and How to Change It is an easily read spiritual guide that takes us through time and space, from the earliest conscious thought to the complexities of multiple realities and ultimately quantum physics. It explores the purpose of creation and our relationship with the Creator Spirit. It searches to discover who we really are by offering a tour through a historical perspective of a variety of belief systems, from primitive rituals to modern science, from conventional spiritual dogma to New Age metaphysics. The Nature of Reality and How to Change It provides a brief glimpse into time itself and reveals ancient secrets of how we can each change our own personal reality. It offers multiple paths to higher consciousness by disclosing the true nature of what is, the metaphysics of how things really work, in order that we each might find our own unique path to increased awareness and spiritual freedom.